Hey everyone, Steve here from My Crypto World. I thought I'd do a quick update. Yesterday was May the 19th. We had a bit of a bloodbath day on the crypto market. This is a quick 2 to 3 minute video just giving you my insight into what has happened since yesterday. Today being May the 20th. Okay, so let's just recap what happened yesterday. As you know, and based on the charting that I've shown in previous videos, we've had an all-time high up here of 2.58 trillion. That's where the top horizontal line is. And we have a resistance line of its last major low, and that was sitting at around about 1.6365 trillion dollars. So that's the last resistance line it bounced off before it went back up. It's hit a top resistance line. It hasn't gone further than that, and then it's continued to come down since. Now, about two weeks ago, I was saying in my videos that as long as this resistance level is tested and it doesn't close below that, the market as a whole is quite strong. So yesterday, on May the 15th, the market broke that low, fell through that resistance line, and as you can see here, closed below it. Now, if you remember from my earlier videos, I've explained to everybody what a close is. So for those that are new, a bar is made up of 4 bits of information. It's made up of the open, so that's the start price it started trading for on a particular day. And that's made up, represented by a horizontal line to the left of the bar. Then you've got the close for the day, which is a horizontal line to the right of the bar. And then in between that is the all-time high for that day and the all-time low, and that creates a bar. So what we were looking for, what we were hoping wasn't going to happen yesterday, was that it would close below that. If it had closed above it, it just shows more strength in the market. It didn't. It closed below it, so what we have to do now is we have to move our resistance line down from where it was down to the next support line, or the next major low that had happened prior to that low, which is around about here. So we're looking at around about 1.52 trillion. Now, interestingly, what has happened yesterday and today is, as you can see, while the market traded below it, it didn't close below it. It actually closed above its previous low, and has come up from that. And today we've had actually quite a bit of an up day. It's closing stronger than what it did yesterday. So all in all, the market went from around about a $2 trillion market cap all the way down to around about 1.2. So it lost quite a lot of money, but has already recovered and gone up. It's sitting now at 1.7 trillion. So to me, just to give everyone a little bit of comfort, that shows good strength in the market. As I said to you yesterday, if you've got some spare cash, now is the time to buy. I would be, and again, this is just my investment opinion. I'm certainly not a financial planner or, have the license to recommend stocks or coins for that matter. But if you do have some spare cash, I'd certainly be looking to get into things like Theta, T-Fuel, Digibyte, Chainlink, Holo, XRP. There's a whole host of coins out there that are really good. They've got good foundations, and you've got an excellent buying opportunity because you're going to get them a lot cheaper. So where do I think the market's going? I actually don't know. It's very hard to tell. My gut feel is, and that's what it is the market may come down over the next day or two and test this bottom. So we might see it go up for a couple of days and then come back down. It's known sometimes as a dead cat bounce. It's just where the market retraces and tests to see if the bottom is really the bottom or not. Again, as long as it doesn't close below this resistance line that we've drawn there, then we're probably good to go. It may even consolidate and go sideways for a little while. You just have to wait and see. If it closes below this though, again, all we need to do is move our resistance line down to the next major low. So for us, it was this point here. So we would simply drag our horizontal line down, and that's where our new resistance line would be formed. As I said yesterday, don't panic. Tomorrow the world will still be spinning, and if you're an investor, today's a very good day to buy. So that's it from me at My Crypto World. Stay safe.